Imagine training an artificial intelligence without needing thousands of data points. Today, we explore how few-shot learning lets models master new tasks with just one or two examples, revolutionizing efficiency. Traditionally, machine learning required massive labeled datasets to function accurately. However, few-shot learning changes this by enabling pre-trained models to adapt from just 1 to 5 specific examples, bridging the gap between zero-shot and full fine-tuning. This technique works through advanced prompting, where you provide the AI with a few input-output patterns before making your actual request. This approach sits between zero-shot, which uses no examples, and one-shot, which relies on a single demonstration to guide the system. The real power lies in data efficiency. You can often utilize unlabeled instances alongside those few labeled samples available for the task. This isn't just about saving storage space, it's about achieving high intelligence on a budget with minimal resources. For creators and developers, this means fast adaptation to new tasks without the heavy computational cost of traditional training. The computer learns by showing it the desired pattern in the prompt, making AI significantly more flexible for dynamic workflows. Because it requires so little data, few-shot learning is increasingly popular for handling specialized machine learning tasks where gathering thousands of examples is impossible or too expensive. It democratizes access to R, powerful AI capabilities for smaller teams and niche projects. Ultimately, this method proves that intelligence on a budget is possible, allowing models to make accurate predictions with only a few examples. We are moving towards an era where AI adapts instantly rather than requiring vast historical archives. Few-shot learning is transforming how we build intelligent systems. What other AI trends do you think will dominate the next decade? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into technology.